In this video, I'm going to go through unboxing the Siboor V0.2 R1 kit for the August 2023 upgrade. First, we'll just go through the AliExpress listing to show what specs they've given us for this unit. So I've chosen the blue frame with the Dragon HF hot end, and I got the black and red ABS parts. I didn't want to wait for the custom colours, and red seems to be alright. This price is obviously in Australian dollars, that's where I'm located. So being the Siboor kit, they do say that they've made some changes. So in this we get the V0 umbilical, the Kirigami bed bracket, the polycarbonate panels, an upgrade from the acrylic, twin bearing fans, and an upgraded 75 watt heat bed. So here they've got some little features: high speed printing, clipper, Wi-Fi controllable, which is always nice. A few little R1 mods. Now we have the 75 watt heat bed, which is an upgrade, the V0 umbilical, which is not to be confused with the CAN bus system. This is a little bit different to that. The Kirigami bed, which is the metal frame bed support, polycarbonate panels, an upgrade from the acrylic ones. I chose a different hot end, and twin bearing fans. Plenty of colours and configurations to choose from. The Fly Gemini V3 board, which I do believe replaces the Raspberry Pi and everything. It's all in one unit, so that can directly run Clipper. Mini stealth burner, BMG, the gears, V0 umbilical again, and the fans. This is showing the CHC V6 hot end, which I haven't got. Flexible build plate, always handy. Box of bolts, and just some other information there. So that's a general overview. We'll get into the unboxing now, and I'll do my best to show all the parts. I'll try to take some extra photos and get some more detail for you. And yeah, stay tuned, and I'll try to do a bit of a video series. I'm not going to record the whole thing, just showing my progress and steps and any other little issues that I've encountered along the way. So yeah, have a look and enjoy. Today we're going to have a look at unboxing the Siboor 0.2 Voron kit. Recently purchased this on the Black Friday sales. I just thought I'd open it up and give everyone a look and see what's inside for those that are interested. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright. So first up we got the Voron 0.2 fastener kit. Hopefully this has got everything inside that we need. Plenty of bits and pieces in there, so hopefully that's all there. Here we have the heater and thermistor by the looks of it. Here we have the Fadus hot end. That's the one I selected. Hopefully that one goes alright. Looks pretty nice to me. Fans. So these are Siboor fans. Let's see how we go to them. Little control board. That's the 80XL sensor for doing the input shaping. There appears to be some LEDs. Figure it out, this opens, and we have a USB and a power cable. Got the right one there for Australia, which is good for me. Put these bits back in. Here we have some instructions, wiring diagram, hopefully that'll come in handy, and our 3D printed parts. So this is probably the part or the pieces that most people are interested in checking out. This is my first time doing any sort of Voron kit, but so far, just from a brief glance, they all look really good. So printed on a textured build plate, so we've got a good texture on the face there. Everything else looks really good. There's a little bit of overhang in the holes there, but that's nothing to worry about. The fan ducts look pretty clear. I'm very excited to get this kit together. Everything actually looks really good. Yep, little clear parts for the logo. I assume they're to light up at some point. Yeah, this is my first time ever touching anything Voron related, so I don't really know the proper names for all the bits. I'm assuming this is a belt tensioner. That actually works really nice. Just from looks, I'm very happy with these printed parts. Can't really fault them yet. Hopefully I don't, ever. Very nice. Here we have some more 3D printed parts and the first parts of our rails. I got the blue kit, obviously. So these must get anodized after they're cut and tapped, seeing as there's blue inside the threads. I assume the material is not blue. That looks like our control panel fascia. Looks good to me. All red and black parts. And even more pieces. This should be fun to go through. So this is the upgraded bed support. So that should be nice. Here we have our Z drive motor, I'm assuming. That's the motor with the shaft all in one, so no parts to join it there. Looks not too bad. Various bits and pieces. So this is the umbilical kit, I'm pretty sure. So this part goes on the tool head, and this part is the other end for it. Yep. More bits of wiring and some connectors that need crimping, and some little pin jumpers. Looks like there's going to be a little bit of wiring that still needs to be done. One end's already terminated, but the other end is all just tinned ends. More wires, our main control board with heat sinks. That all looks really good. The Fly Gemini V3. I'm very excited to get this together. And then we're getting down there. Still not the bottom of the barrel yet. More blue extrusions. All pre-cut, pre-tapped, everything's ready to go. Power supply. So this is a Morn Sun brand LM200 20B24R2. So we have some tools, 3mm screwdriver, 2mm hex Allen key type tool, 1.5mm Allen key style power switch, and some more ball ended Allen keys, which will be very handy. These ones don't have the ball end on them. Power supply with fuse. Somewhere in there's a fuse. That comes out. Oh, yep. That's a spare fuse, and that's the one that's being used. That's good. Righty last. So here we have some double-sided tape. Appears to be the Brill stuff, the 3M VHB tape. It's the grey one. Cable ties, drag chain, PTFE tubing, and our panels. So the actual panel itself looks really good. All this daggy stuff here is just the plastic that'll get peeled off at the end. But the actual cut itself looks really nice. Looks to be all just panels in there. Hopefully, no, I missed some bits in that one. In this envelope we have the linear rails. See the branded Siboor. These will be getting cleaned up shortly. I'll clean them out with some alcohol and re-grease them. Yep, so these bars are tapped, ready to go. They appear to be just mild steel. More linear rail. These also come with the little plastic piece so you can take them off the rail without losing all the little balls. I did skip past some of this one. We have more cables, limit switches, some Wago connectors and some other little boards, which I'm sure I'll find out what they all are. Screws, some heat set inserts for some of the printed parts, more cables. So these ones have been crimped with the ends but not pinned into the connector. More cable, our belts, clear PTFE tube, and our heat bed. So this is the upgraded 75 watt heat bed apparently. Very interesting to see how that goes. More cables. Spring steel build plate. Very rigid. It's a lot more rigid than some of the other ones I've had on other printers. That's perfectly fine. That'll be the magnet for it. And the aluminium build plate. Holes tapped, ready to go. Other holes drilled. Countersunk holes there. Very nice. But just to check, 6mm thick. If you had any questions about that. So I'm assuming we have to assemble some more of this before we can stick that on. Probably have to heat that up to get it to stick good. That on there. Very nice. So there you have it, that's everything that comes in the kit. So far everything looks alright, but like I said, I haven't done one of these before, so there's a few parts I can't spot just yet, but I'm sure I'll find them. That's it, so that's it for this one. I will try to do some videos of the build process as I go, just to keep everyone informed. There is a few videos out there with this kit, but another one can't hurt. And see if there's any issues I have with it. I'll definitely let everyone know. But overall, very happy with it, especially seeing as it is one of the cheaper kits, including the printed parts and that. I think it's still very well worth it. Very excited to get this all together. Alright, thank you very much.